Hi everyone, welcome to day number 4 of the Do Try This at Home School cookery lesson. Today we are going to be cooking sausage and mash and beans with potatoes and beans from the garden. So these are all of the potatoes and the beans that we have found in the garden, and our first job is to wash them. Yes?
Yes.
Good idea. Let's wash the potatoes. Here are the clean potatoes, ready to make into mash. We're going to make an extra bit of mashed potato because we're going to need some for tomorrow when we make our potato cakes. So, because we're making extra mashed potato, we are going to need a great big pan, and we're going to fill it up with water, and we're going to peel all of our potatoes, and then we're going to chop them, put them in the water. Job number 1. Yeah? Let's do some peeling.
Potato, especially veggie.
So that's our pan of potatoes, all peeled. I'm going to tip this water out and put some fresh in, and then put them on to boil with a pinch of salt, and put the lid on and let them boil until they are soft. As this is sausage and mash, we need sausages. Now we are mainly vegetarian in this house except for me, so these are vegetarian sausages. I just put some oil on them and put them in the oven. You could put them in with some onion, you could put them in with whatever you want. Put them in the oven and let them cook. So we have washed our runner beans from the garden that we picked earlier, and now we're going to chop them up and put them in some water and boil them for 3 to 4 minutes when our mashed potato is nearly ready. So you chop one end and then the other end, and then you use your peeler to de-string your runner bean like this. Nothing worse than a stringy bean, is there? You just chop them into bits, put them in your pan. Then we're going to peel and chop some carrots. We'll keep all of our peelings for the guinea pigs.
Guinea pigs like carrots.
Guinea pigs like carrots. Potatoes are boiling away. Sausages are sizzling. Beans are ready to go on. So now we need to mash the potato. I have strained it, and now we're going to add some milk and some butter, and then we're going to mash it up with the masher. That's our mash mashed. And there you go. Sausage, mash, beans from the garden, and a bit of gravy. Yummy. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe and follow us on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter and wherever else you happen to be. Tomorrow we are going to make potato cakes with the rest of the mashed potato from today. See you then. Bye.